Hello my darlings, I hope everyone is doing well. Today, another adventure. I'm part of DIY Fall Challenge hosted by amazing Heidi Sumble DIY and a beautiful playlist waiting for you after you're done watching my video. So if you haven't visited Heidi Sumble DIY by now, which I doubt everybody knows her, she's amazing. Please visit her YouTube channel and our amazing playlist with my amazing friends. So today we're gonna create some amazing tablescape items for Thanksgiving. I got this maple leaf wooden plaques from Dollar Tree and I'm using fall leather, two colors, brown and honey color. So after I used the maple leaf as a stencil to cut off the leaves, I cut them off and I'm gluing them with a crazy glue on top of the wooden plaque, just like so. So we're gonna have a pattern. We're gonna have a dark brown and a honey color for our napkin rings. We're gonna create the napkin rings. After I glue them all, I'm making them liners in each leaf. I'm using those metallic markers from Dollar Tree, golden and silver, and it's gonna look very high-end. Doing the same thing on the honey color with the silver metallic. And now I got those plastic shower rings from Dollar Tree and I'm using this mesh twine ribbon, and what I'm doing is I'm just rolling them all over the ring, just like so. I just glue that, and now I'm gluing the ring on the leaves, and our napkin rings should be done. And I did 6 of them, just like that, and look how pretty they look. I really like them. Fast and easy. DIY number 2. I got those 2 metal pumpkin wreaths from Dollar Tree and I'm gonna paint them with a folk art gold metallic paint all over, just like that. And we're gonna create a beautiful centerpiece for our tablescape for Thanksgiving. You're gonna see at the end how it's gonna look. So I'm just going all over the wreath. Same thing on the second wreath as well, and now I'm connecting them. I got the mesh twine, I tied them together, and now I got 2 wooden plaques from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna glue them together with a wood glue and a hot glue on the sides, and we're gonna make a large plaque. And now with my staple gun, I'm gonna staple my pumpkin together on top of the wood so it can stay sturdy for my tablescape. When the wreath is dry, I'm adding the LED candle in the middle just to see how it's gonna look. And now I'm adding all those beautiful fall greeneries purchased from Hubby and Joanns on sale. I was looking for pampas grass from Walmart, but I couldn't find them anywhere, so I give up. But those can do a work too. So those beautiful fall flowers, fall leaves, fall greeneries came out good. Now I'm gonna make a bow. Since I'm on the corner and you guys cannot see how I made the bow, I made it with my hands, but I only have a recording from my previous bows that I made with my bow maker. I think that will do, and it's gonna help you to show you how can you make a bow with a bow maker. When you have a nice ribbon, you can make any beautiful bow. And this material that I'm using is purchased from Joanns on 80%, so you guys gonna see at the end. So just follow at the corner how I made the bow, and I'm gonna put it on top of the pumpkin centerpiece. So basically what I did loops on one side and then on the other side, and 8 loops together, and then at the end I tied them with the twine, and that's it. The bow was done. When the bow is made, I'm tying it on top of my centerpiece pumpkin, and it's ready to be decorated. And look how pretty it came. For DIY number 3, actually it's not a DIY because I changed my mind in the middle. I was going to make them over and paint them, but while I was cleaning them, I look at this beautiful texture that they have, like a ivory with a dusted darker color and gold. So I just changed my mind and I just embellished them with making a bow with this mesh ribbon in the middle, and that's it. And I think they look very pretty, vintage, and I'm glad that I didn't paint them over because they have some green leaves on the bottom and they look very pretty. And here is the tablescape for Thanksgiving. I hope I gave you some ideas made on a budget, super cheap, super easy, and super fancy. On the table, you're also gonna see the charger plates, beautiful charger plates from Dollar Tree. I really like the material, like a darker gold rustic. I have also added a raspberry pie and a teapot. The teapot is from Henry Bendel that I really like. And I put some champagne glasses, but actually you can put some juice and make it look fancy with those glasses. So I hope you really enjoy watching me making all this. I would like to say thank you to Heidi for letting me be part of this fall challenge again this month. And before I let you go, please don't forget to watch the playlist along with the Heidi channel and her playlist with all those amazing, beautiful friends, creators, and you're not gonna regret it. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy, and until our next adventure, from me to you, bye-bye.